Are you learning French but still making some common mistakes? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 common French mistakes and the correct way to say them. If you're preparing for the TEF or TCF Canada, these corrections can also help you speak more naturally. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Don't say je suis faim. In French, we say j'ai faim. Literally, it means I have hunger. But in English, we say I'm hungry. Repeat, j'ai faim. In French, we use the verb avoir, not être, when talking about age. So say, j'ai 30 ans. Don't say, j'ai besoin d'aide. The correct expression is, j'ai besoin d'aide. Remember, avoir besoin de means to need. In French, the verb chercher does not need pour before the object. Say, je cherche un emploi. This is another common mistake for English speakers. In French, attendre does not take pour. Say, j'attends mon ami. In French, the adverb usually comes before the language or verb complement. Say, je parle bien français. Be careful with savoir and connaître. Before an infinitive, we use savoir, so. Je sais parler français. Because travail is masculine, a plus le becomes o. So we say, je vais au travail. When someone asks you, comment ça va? Don't normal answer, je suis bien. Say, je vais bien. Just like j'ai faim, we say j'ai soif. Repeat, j'ai soif. When introducing yourself, the natural expression is je m'appelle. So say, je m'appelle Liliane. If you're finding these corrections useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I post French lessons and TF preparation content regularly. The verb écouter takes a direct object. So we say j'écoute la radio, not j'écoute à la radio. With visiter, we don't put a before the city. C'est je visite Paris. Again, remember, attendre doesn't need pour. C'est j'attends le bus. But be careful. With téléphoner, we use a before the person. So, je téléphone à ma mère. Here's an important one. Je vais à la maison is actually correct. We use à la maison when we mean home in this context. So don't change a correct sentence into an incorrect one. A more natural word order is je peux parler un peu français. Repeat it with me. This one is very important for English speakers. In French, the structure is different. We say mon ami me manque. A natural way to say this is j'ai 5 minutes de retard. And finally, here's a mistake you definitely don't want to make on YouTube. Don't say n'oubliez pas d'abonnez-vous. Say n'oubliez pas de vous abonner. And that's it. How many of these 20 mistakes did you already know? Tell me your score in the comments. If you're preparing for the TF Canada or simply want to improve your French, subscribe to French TF for more lessons. See you in the next video.